Nagbiyahe pa, wa pa man nanawag. Wow, it's almost done.
Almost.
Dapat ganiha pa dayta kag video, no? Sige, kag tusok ang imong lantern.
Ayun po.
Yeah.
Naman na nga project sa una na or katawang bala-bala.
No, I don't have a project like that before. I have project the lantern, but the old one,
Ay,
you're
katawang
using
magtitipon.
bamboo. Yeah. And when it finished, it looks like a star.
Nowadays, everything's different.
Yeah, it's something different and something unique. They used to use drinking straw. It's recycled material. Yeah, that's all.
Yes.
Yes, that's your project at school. She finished it here at the house.
Wow.
She did the finishing touches here. Wow.
Or kung gusto mo na ko ilipot-lipot there.
Yeah, you can add some. You can add some. Oh, this is nice.
Ganda naman yung gawa mo.
Ito na to, kay Bita.
You pass pa that one.
Ayun na diyan napita kay tagas-taas si Manoy maigo na ikuha na
Yes.
ako na dito sa kanang dili gani
Ay, sa mga
sa bintana na lang siguro ninyo des kilid.